Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix email Outlook attachment not showing. So first of all, if the attachments are not showing, here is the thing that you should fix. First of all, open your browser, type in outlookoffice.com and simply get logged into your Outlook account. Now, you're going to have to simply right click onto the email where you're having difficulty finding attachments. Now you will see various options. The process will be same whether that you get logged into your Outlook account via a web browser or maybe via Outlook app. You will see the same option. So scroll all the way below, hover under Find Related. Now select Messages from this sender. And as I do that, you will be able to see all the inboxes, meaning all the emails that the sender has sent you. And likewise, simply go ahead, scroll below, and you'll be able to see the attachments that he or she has sent. Just like so, guys, this is how you can fix it. Thank you for watching.